Alright, so I'm Nigel.
I'm Darwin.
Today we're going to be talking about the environment.
Good old environment here.
Yeah, we're going to be talking about some ecology today, some plants,
Some animal behavior.
and some trophic levels, as well as the rest of the environment and the impact that humans have on it.
Goddamn humans.
Yeah, dumb humans. Alright, so today we're doing something called active biology. Our first video is on trophic levels. There's multiple trophic levels. There's autotrophs, and then there's consumers, and there's, I don't know, that's good. Here's the sun, and the energy from the sun gets converted into the chemical bond energy of the plants. And the animals eat this, and this is the first level of the trophic system.
Right, mates. This here is an autotroph. It means it can convert the energy of the sun into chemical bond energy through the process of photosynthesis. It is the second level of the trophic system.
Alright, the lake is a lentic environment, meaning the water isn't running. The area we see here is called the limnetic zone, the open area of water where photosynthesis can occur. Below the limnetic zone is the profundo zone. Light cannot penetrate the water to these depths and thus photosynthesis doesn't occur. Profundo zone is low in oxygen, but something called lake water turnover helps with this. Water has a different density based upon its temperature, being most dense at around 4 degrees Celsius. As the seasons change, dense water at the surface can sink down, bringing oxygen to the profundo zone. This creates a healthy environment for aquatic animals such as these ducks. Alright, so as you know, I'm a very fun guy, just like these fungi here, which are examples of detrivores. They play an important role in the trophic system. They consume dead biotic material, breaking it down and allowing matter to be recycled within biological systems like these woods. Alright, these logs here demonstrate an example of secondary succession. A storm came through this area and tore down many of the trees and vegetation. Secondary succession is the change in species in an area where life has existed before an event like a forest fire that eliminates life. Crikey! The crike is also an example of a lotic environment. Bodies of water such as this are an important part of the environment, water being a major limiting factor for many species. Limiting factors are the abiotic factors in the environment that stop a population from growing.
The lotic environment can be broken roughly into two categories, the rapid zones and the pool zones. The rapid zones, the water is moving, lots of oxygen because of turnover, not many organisms. Pool zones, lots of organisms, lots of photosynthesis going on, lots of oxygen, lots of life.
So right here we have a lentic environment. As you can see, this is a lake. Right there we have a shelter for beavers. They've created their own shelter to live in. They use this to establish their territory.
So yeah, some sort of environment. Not really sure if it's a marsh or a slough or a swamp. It's got water.
Yeah, there's a lot of organisms living in here. You see a lot of frogs and amphibians.
Good day, mates. Not a good day. I've been having a lot of those recently. All you see here, we be in a grassland area. Grasslands typically don't have a lot of trees. Think of Saskatchewan. Nice, flat, open areas, nothing taller than your waist. Landslides, mud flows, slumps, all involved had tearing away from a slope and moving downhill. Slumps salting from the river carved cliffs along the Red Deer River Valley. Slumps like the one in front of you, and gravel and especially clay, water from rain.
As you can tell by the brush growth here,
And the large trees.
and the lush trees, this is obviously in a later stage of succession compared to the shots we've previously shown you.
Good day, mates. Here, we're living in a mid-latitude where we're guessing about to be a woodland or parkland area, and we're seeing some facilitation as these bushes are making the ground easier for these bigger trees to reproduce littler trees that'll become big trees in the future. by making the ground more acidic, which is what these trees lack.